Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Stripe payment to Wix. This is a useful setup if you want customers to pay directly through your website instead of handling payments manually. To get started, sign into your Wix account and open your site's main dashboard. This is the control center for your website, and it's where you manage everything from design settings to business tools. Make sure you're opening the correct website if you manage more than one Wix site from the same account. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains the main configuration options for your site, including the tools related to payments and checkout. This is where you'll manage many of the settings that control how your website handles business transactions. After you open Settings, find and click Accept Payments. This is the area where Wix lets you connect payment providers, so you can start receiving money from customers directly through your website. If you plan to sell products, services, bookings, or anything else online, this is the section you'll need to set up properly. Having your payment provider connected correctly helps create a smoother checkout experience for your customers. Once you're on the Accept Payments page, Wix will show you the payment options available for your region. This part is important because payment methods can vary depending on the country your business is registered in. If Stripe is supported in your area, you'll see it listed as one of the available providers. So don't worry if the payment options shown on your screen are slightly different from what someone in another country sees. When you find Stripe, click Connect. Wix will then guide you through the setup process. At this stage, you'll need to provide the required business and account details so Stripe can verify your information and activate payments for your site. Depending on your account and location, you may be asked for details related to your business, identity, contact information, and the bank account where you want to receive payouts. Make sure the information you enter is accurate and matches your official business or banking details, since errors here can slow down approval or cause issues later. It's a good idea to have your business and banking information ready before starting, so you can complete the setup without unnecessary interruptions. As you go through the connection process, take your time to review each screen carefully. Payment setup is one of the most important parts of running an online business, so it's worth double-checking everything before you finish. Pay particular attention to names, account information, and other verification details before submitting them. Once the connection is complete, Stripe will be linked to your website, and you'll be able to accept payments from customers through your checkout. After connecting it, you may also want to preview your checkout process, so you understand exactly what customers will see when they make a payment. If Stripe doesn't appear on the page, that usually means it isn't currently available in your region through Wix, so you may need to use a different payment provider that is supported in your location. In that case, check the other provider's Wix displays and choose the option that best fits your business and the payment methods your customers are likely to use. And that's all it takes. Open your Wix dashboard, go to Settings, select Accept Payments, choose Stripe if it's available in your region, and connect it by entering the necessary details. After that, your site will be one step closer to being ready for online sales. Before launching, it's also worth checking your checkout and payment settings one final time so your customers have a smooth experience when they're ready to buy.